Morning sailors, and welcome to my first full day of quarantine. As you can tell, I've slept incredibly well in this majestic bed. It's so good. So good. When the doorbell went this morning for breakfast, I was like, where am I? Yeah, I had a very good sleep and was woken up with breakfast, which I haven't digged into yet, so let's have a look what we've got. I've just had coffee delivered, which I'm so excited about. Oh, that's good. So last night when I put my choices in, you had choice of like a continental breakfast, an American breakfast, and another one that I can't remember. So I chose the continental. So I have yogurt, I have like some overnight oats, it looks like, an apple. What else? I have some cheese, maybe a prune and some ham and bread. Amazing! Look at this! Of the breakfast of kings. See, now this is the like dangerous thing, isn't it, when you're on holiday? I know I'm not on holiday, but I'm treating this like it's my little holiday. At home, I would have overnight oats or a piece of fruit or a yogurt or a piece of bread for breakfast, and I have them all. I'm not going to eat them all, but like if I wanted to, I could have all of them for breakfast.
Waking up feeling like it's gonna rain. It's sunny out, but it just comes in waves.
So now I'm going to hop in the shower and then I'm going to put a little bit of makeup on because I'm going to film another video for you guys.
Thought the other side was always green. There isn't any color in my dreams.
Lunch is here! So I have just finished filming the schedule, my schedule video, which you will have already seen when you're watching this vlog, but it's like perfect timing. I've just finished filming it and my lunch is here, which is amazing. It smells delicious.
Always this lonely. How can I tell you something I do?
That was absolutely delicious. So now I am full. I'm gonna edit the video that I have just filmed.
I don't really have a good excuse. When you ask me if I'm okay, I don't have a lot to say. Can't tell you something I do not know. Maybe just hold me, just hold me.
So now guys, I'm just waiting to do some training for work. So when we joined, we got given this tablet here, and I believe that we're gonna have like Zoom calls, that kind of training. So yeah, I'm just waiting for it.
How can I tell you something I do not know? Maybe just hold me, just hold me. I'm coming back slow.
Well guys, I have just finished my training and it was really informative. Like, it was really good training considering it was virtual. It was really like interactive and interesting. So that was good, and I've got loads of like classes and courses to do while I'm in quarantine. Honestly, I've never been busier. I think like with filming the vlogs and the videos, and then there's obviously so much training to do, I ain't got enough time. No, I'm joking, obviously. But it's nice though, because I'm definitely not going to get bored, which is, you know, what everyone wants to avoid. So I think I might just crack on with a few of the courses that I have to do. The doorbell just went. I think dinner's here. I'm so excited. So I've just moved the camera in here because it's getting a bit chilly outside. chocolate cake, like a beetroot salady thing. You know what I really like is that every day is different, because I was like, maybe they'll change the main dish, but then you'll have like salad on the side and the same cake. But the fact that they're like changing the side dish and the main and the pudding is great. I mean, the only thing that's the same is the cutlery. Off we go.
It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love. And no amount of distance can change how
That's it. We're out at sea now.
I'm so happy that you're mine.
Oh, morning and welcome to day 2 of quarantine. So let's see what we've got for breakfast. I think it'll be the same because I ordered the same. Oh, but they've changed it. I have an orange today, which is nice. Yay! Yogurt, overnight oats, cheese and ham, and bread. Oh my god, I have a croissant. I love croissants. Honestly, what a way to wake up. Breakfast in this incredible bed, looking out at the sea.
Memories fade away, wither out, but I can't ignore the ache. Lying deep underground, you must have lost your way. Look around, all we can do now is pray. Make it count. I've lived through water, I've lived, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted, we fought out so you could have them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged, light is cold and love is tragic. Love is tragic. We wait up for the dawn, through the night, though our better days are gone. Made our peace, said goodbye, 'cause the further we carry on, through the fight, the stronger that we become. I've lived through water, havoc, seen pain you can't imagine. These days you take for granted, we fought out so you could have
Let's film.
them. This truth you hold for ransom, buried beneath the static. No doubt the heart is damaged, light is cold and love is tragic.
Extra veg, which is what I asked for, which is amazing. Pesto pasta salad, that's exciting. Vegetable biryani, yes. Guys, I've just done some training. That's what you were just watching me do. There's quite a lot to do, so I figure if I do a little bit every day, then I'll definitely get through it all by the time my quarantine period is over. But because I have been laying in bed for like 4 hours, I mean, I have been training, but I also have been laying in bed for like 4 hours. I'm gonna go outside in the sunshine and do some yoga, make the most of my balcony. you what, like just sitting here looking out at that is just the most relaxing thing ever. Well guys, I have just finished my dinner out on the balcony and it was delicious. It was, well, it is a really lovely evening tonight, so it's a shame not to be outside, right? And also to top it off, I have just been on like my YouTube analytics stuff and we have just hit 5,000 sailors, which I am absolutely gobsmacked about. So I'd just like to say such a huge thank you to every single one of you who has subscribed, who watches my videos. It really like means the world. So yeah, a pretty damn good evening. Hit 5,000 sailors, we've got a beautiful sunset, just had a lovely meal. I mean, what more could I ask for? I think I'm gonna lie here in the sunshine and just relish this beautiful moment. I've just come inside now because it's dropping a bit chilly, but I forgot to say I actually got talking to some crew members. I was leaning over the side and noticed that there was another crew member that was quarantined like a few cabins below me, and then a few cabins over to my right there was another person quarantining. So yeah, I got talking, met some new people, which was lovely because obviously I haven't had the chance to meet anyone yet. Now it has dropped cold. I think I'm just gonna come inside, get back into my lovely bed and edit the video that I filmed earlier. Night guys. Hey sailors! Welcome to day 3 of quarantining on the Scarlet Lady with me. Can you believe it's day 3 already? It's going really fast, like really fast. Yeah, the doorbell has just gone, so I'm gonna get my breakfast.
It's sunny at most days. You'll never see this.
Well, that was absolutely delicious, so I'm gonna get dressed and work out.
And maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So, but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going nowhere?
The makeup is on. I'm now going to film the Q&A video. I asked you for your Instagram suggestions yesterday for this video, so yeah, let's get filming. I've just finished the Q&A video, so I'm going to sit down and start to edit it and hopefully upload it today. That would be marvellous.
The sun is setting down soon. You'll never see the stars when you're all in your head. You can find beauty in the night too.
Lunch is here. I've just changed my shirt because the pink one, as lovely as it is, well, it is lovely, but I'm so clumsy. If I get anything down that, it's ruined, so we've had to change. What have we got? I get so excited for dinner time. Like every time the doorbell rings, I'm like, oh, food. Oh wow, look at that. What's that? Like a strawberry tart for pudding. Veg, amazing. And like a stir fry thing. That looks so good. And you can't see any of it
There's so many reasons you should care. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do
Well, I'm absolutely bloody stuffed after lunch, so now I'm going to do some training.
there's so many reasons you should care.
So I've just finished, I've just done 2 courses outside on the hammock, my favourite place. You'll find me there. Since it's such a lovely day, I'm going to do some yoga.
Find beauty in the not too, but it's harder to see when you're stuck in a dream. So but you keep on going. I know that you're in the open, hoping that you'll be okay. Don't stay looking out the window. And how late do you plan on going nowhere? Afraid of all.
Oh, I am feeling so relaxed after doing that yoga on the balcony. Definitely recommended. But anyway guys, I think I am going to end the vlog here because it's already looking like it's going to be a super long video. And at this point it's very samey, it's just me filming, training, lying about. So maybe I will do another vlog towards the end of quarantine and just catch up with you about how I'm feeling. But I think for this vlog, I think this is a good place to end it. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I have really enjoyed filming it. But yeah, I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.